This is what a perfect NC program looks like. Verified, collision-free, and ready for the shop floor. Here's how we get there. It starts in your CAM system, 3DEXPERIENCE, where your toolpaths are generated. From there, Icam's post-processor takes over. It translates those toolpaths into precise, machine-ready G-code, tailored specifically to your CNC controller and machine kinematics. No generic outputs, no guesswork, just accurate, optimized code for your exact machine. That G-code is then fed directly into Vericut, and this is where confidence is built. Vericut simulates every single move. Watch as the machine comes to life, from roughing through to finishing. Vericut catches collisions, validates your G-code, and confirms the program is right before a single chip hits the shop floor. The result? Fewer prove-outs, less scrap, and total confidence in every NC program you run. Whether it's a 3-axis mill, a 5-axis machining center, or a complex multitasking machine.